welcome to another video by MWN Design and MWN Hosting. What we're going to do today is show you how to install an SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt on cPanel. As you can see, I'm already logged into my cPanel account. This is for one of the testing domains that we have. So what we need to do is scroll down the page a little bit, find the security section, click the Let's Encrypt icon. As you can see, there's no SSL currently installed, so what we need to do is issue a new certificate. This is the domain we're working with. These are the areas of that domain what are going to be covered by that SSL certificate. As this is a subdomain of MWN Design, it's only showing this amount. However, if you're installing it on your main domain, there'll be a few more alternative names there for you. So we're going to click issue. Now we'll come to the new page. This page is where you select all your settings. You can either issue a dry run, which basically works like installing the SSL certificate, but it doesn't. It just makes sure everything is going to work when it goes to install it. So what we're going to do now is leave everything as is here, and we're going to click issue. What this will do is then run the process to issue the certificate, then show this page which now says Apache's restarting in the background. If we click go back, it now shows that the SSL certificate is installed. There's nothing else you need to do with regards to this. If you are running a WordPress install or another install, all you'll have to do is update your site URLs to include HTTPS instead of HTTP. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and found it informational. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Cheers.